Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta cigarette lighter. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off before starting any work. Locate the trim panel surrounding the cigarette lighter assembly in your center console. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim panel that surrounds the lighter. Work slowly to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, carefully pull it away from the dashboard. You may need to disconnect one or two small electrical connectors from the back of the trim piece before fully removing it. With the trim panel removed, the cigarette lighter assembly will be fully exposed. You'll see the main lighter housing. To release it, gently twist the entire lighter unit about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. This action will unlock it from its mounting point. Then, carefully pull the lighter assembly out and disconnect the electrical connector from its rear. Once the electrical connector is unplugged, the cigarette lighter unit is completely free and can be removed from the vehicle. If you need to reinstall it, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all connections are secure and the trim snaps back into place. Always test the lighter's function after reassembly to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.